Hi everyone, this is Sarav from Sweet Potato Tech Private Limited, who is working as a Salesforce practice lead. So today I'm going to show you on how to create a custom object using the spreadsheet or Excel or a file from the OneDrive. So for this demo purpose, I'm going to create a custom object from an Excel which I have downloaded into my system. So this is the spreadsheet I have. So I have downloaded it already into my system. So I'm going to create a custom object using this spreadsheet. So all you have to do is click on the create custom object from spreadsheet option. So you have to click on the login with Salesforce button, which will take you to the login page, and click the login button. And then it will give you with three options. One is to upload a file from your system. It should be either Excel, SX, or CSV. And another one is Google Sheet, which will get you the files from the Gmail. And this one is the OneDrive, which will give you the files from the Outlook. So I'm going to use this option for this demo purpose. So I'm going to click on the upload button. So I have downloaded a file called candidate, which I have shown before. So this will upload into the Salesforce system, and we can see the rows has been converted into the field label, and the Salesforce Lightning Object Creator identify the data type based on the data that's been in the column. So as for the notes column, it cannot be able to identify the data type. So I'm going to manually select this as a text area field. So once you are happy with this field type and the field name, you can click the next button. So if you would like to import the data into the same custom object, you can do this as well using this button. So if you would like to skip this, you can click on the no skip import, and then upload the data later using any of the Salesforce application like data loader, or use the Salesforce import wizard as well. So I'm going to skip this for now. So once you are happy with this, click the next button. So this will give you with the option of naming the custom object. So I have based on the file name, it's already identify the label and the plural label and the API name. So I'm going to leave this as it is and click the finish button. So this will create the custom object in the Salesforce R. So you can see that it's been created, and it's also shows us how many fields has been created in this particular object. So back to my Salesforce org, if I refresh this page and search for the candidate, you can see that the custom object has been created. And as I have selected the data option to be no, it doesn't have any data, and you can see the fields has been created as per the data type which we set during the Lightning Object Creator page. So as an example, this field I have set as checkbox. These are the fields as text fields. So this way we can create a custom object easily, rather than if we have a number of spreadsheets with us. So if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Thank you.